Hey investors, it is deal day again. Each week we look at a new property in a new market to determine if it makes sense as an investment property. If you're a newer investor, this helps build repetition, it helps in discovering new markets, and it helps you become a better investor. This week we are looking at the only Sin City, Las Vegas, Nevada, due to someone else that commented that wanted to see this one. The property address that we're looking at is 4363 Spencer Street, apartment 8, Las Vegas, Nevada, 89119. So first, we always like to look at the overall market to make sure that it's a growing market, a healthy market. Las Vegas has a population of 2.9 million and it grew 2.11% last year. The job growth is 62,600 jobs or 3.9% year over year. The unemployment is 5.8%. The average salary from ZipRecruiter is $59,000, but it also says that it varies greatly. And the median sales price is $412,000. So overall, the economics of this market are great. I really like the overall growth of this market. So let's dive a little bit deeper. Let's take a look at the Google Street View test. Overall, everything looks good. It's on a normal street. There's nothing crazy. There's nobody hanging out all over the place. There's not a ton of trash, other than the one random chair that's in the middle of the road. But other than that, I'd say it passes the Google Street View test. Then moving on, we want to look at the listing details. So this property is listed for $257,900. It's close to the Strip, which I think is a good thing. And it's super close to UNLV, a huge university, which is a great thing. This property is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom townhouse. It has 1,220 square feet. The rehab budget, I'd say this is maybe a light to a medium rehab. I'd give it a $10 square foot, around $12,000 for the rehab. My suggestions, if you can't see those phenomenal mirrors going up the stairs that are very retro, I would definitely take those off. I'd paint the walls. I'd try to see if I could steam clean and reuse the carpets if possible. If I couldn't, I'd replace them with new floors and go with LVP. In the kitchen, I'd put stainless steel appliances. I'd put an over-the-range microwave, and I'd put hardware on the kitchen cabinets because it reduces wear and tear on the cabinets and it gets less oil fingerprints all over the cabinets. Last, I'd probably put framed mirrors in the bathrooms, maybe new bathroom light fixtures because it just makes the bathroom look way better in pictures, so you get more tenant traffic when you go to list the property. Zillow estimates that the rent is about $1,732. I'd say that's relatively close. I'd probably go a little bit conservative to $1,650 just to be on the conservative side. Comps are low on this one, so I'd say comps are somewhere around 200,000. It's listed for 257, so that's just something to be aware of. Doesn't mean it's a deal breaker, but you want to try to get your property at comps or below comps, so you're not purchasing at the top of the market and then later down the road kicking yourself when you can't resell it for a profit. When we move on to look at the analyzer, the things that stick out to me is a negative 3.6% cash flow with a loan. That is no bueno, don't like it. And such a low cash on cash return, around 5%, which I don't like. Again, you can put your money into a money market and not have the stresses or any of the worries of doing repairs or dealing with tenants or dealing with property management. So that would be a deal breaker for me. So if you play around in the analyzer and you lower the sales price to about 200,000, you end up getting a 6% cash on cash return. And then your ROI when you get a loan is 1%. And that's assuming that interest rates stay at about 7%. So still not great even at a lower $200,000 price point. All right, so what do we think overall? So overall, I actually really do like the Las Vegas market. I didn't realize it was growing so quickly. So I'd say if you can find properties there, you're gonna get some appreciation. The trouble is gonna be looking for that cash flow. If you can find the right property, I think this market is ready to go. This property is not. Guys, if you're a newer investor, if you want to learn about real estate investing, please like the video, subscribe to the channel. There's a bunch of other educational content on the channel that you can learn about investing. In addition, in the description, there is a link that you can download our analyzer to help you analyze properties much quicker, shorten your learning curve, get in the game quicker. So I'll see everyone on our next deal day.